traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD retested and failed at 138.08 daily resistance last week, and it's into this support area. This weekly top, monthly support at 136.64, and we've got daily support here at 136.51. Now we do have the CPI data coming out, I believe, today. So this is the critical level to watch. Monthly and day support here. 136.64, 136.51. Does this area hold as support to continue the move back up? We could clearly see a break of support through the week to be resistance for a move back down the range. So critical level to watch is 136.64 to 136.51. Can support hold for a continued move up this week for the dollar CAD. Okay, moving on to dollar franc. Now last week I did highlight the idea that we may be forming a double bottom down here, monthly support 90.84. So can the advance continue? Can we come up and test 94.08 weekly resistance? You see the range I've drawn in here, and can we break out above that level? So we may be forming a higher bottom here. So can price continue the advance to retest 94.08 this week, weekly resistance, and can we move up and through? Does it start to confirm this double bottom down here, this triple bottom? Double triple bottom down there at 90.84. So on the dollar franc, can the advance continue? Can we retest 94.08 weekly resistance this week and break out? Alright traders, moving on to dollar yen. Now in an obvious downtrend here on the day chart, but we are testing a very critical level of weekly support. Got a fraction short of it yesterday, 130.40. You can see it was support, support, became resistance, back to support. So this is a critical level to watch this week, because if we can't break below it, we could move back up the range. So is price able to come down and test and move below? Because if it can't, we could well see a reversal back up towards 133.62, which is an old weekly support and resistance level. So can that dollar yen continue its downtrend, or is this just a pullback? On the monthly chart the trend is up, so this could just be a pullback within February's range for a reversal back up the range. So watch 130.40 for a further retest. Can it break below, or do we see a reversal back up the range? Alright, on to the euro pound. Now this has been declining down. Last week we tested 87.22, and there's also an 87.21 level of monthly support. So 87.22 is weekly support, 87.21 is monthly support. I'm looking at this as potentially a bottom of a range here, and of course up here the top of the range. So have we already failed at 87.22? So watch for another test of 87.22. We could obviously break below that level, but we held there last week. Are we going to see another test and then a reversal back up from this support level? I'm looking at this as still support from the day chart, support from the weekly chart. This is a support area. Is support going to hold for a reversal back up? So watch for a further test at 87.22. Does that level hold for a move back up the range? Alright traders, on to New Zealand yen. Now drawn in the weekly large range here. I did discuss 2 or 3 weeks ago, would price fail up here to move down to the bottom of the range, which quite clearly it's done. Now this is weekly resistance at the moment, 82.31. If we can break down and below weekly support, this level of resistance now needs to hold. It's getting a bit wicky down here. So watch 82.31. Does that hold as resistance, weekly resistance, for a move down to further test support here, daily weekly support down here, 81.13 to 81.03. Can that break to move down to monthly support? we could see resistance break here for a move back up the range. So critical level to watch right now is 82.31. Does that remain as resistance now that we've broken below it, for a continued move down to test the lower levels of support there? Alright traders, last pair to review for today, New Zealand dollar. So we're holding at daily resistance here at 62.70 and 62.75. We could form a double top here. We reversed down yesterday. Breaking yesterday's low is going to confirm the double top, potentially, but we could get a breakout here. So two scenarios, reversal or breakout. If we break out, we're probably moving up to 63.89. But first of all, are we holding? Are we holding at 62.70.75? If we are, we could see a move back down the range. So two scenarios. Yesterday showed you a nice reversal candle at resistance. Breaking that low of yesterday is going to start to confirm the reversal. So that's the first thing to look for. Can 62.70 to 75 hold as resistance for a move back down the range? Other side of the coin this week could be that we get a clear breakout and then we're heading towards 63.89. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Join Duncan Cooper in his free Forex educational webinar series and take a real step in becoming a better trader. The upcoming webinars for this week: 21st of March, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 22nd of March, 4-hour trade entry, position trading using the 4-hour charts. Learn how to clearly define position trade entries on the 4-hour chart. Using market structure on the higher time frame charts, Duncan will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss, and profit target levels for the 4-hour trade entry. 23rd of March, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. 8 p.m. Sydney time. Don't miss out.